Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute teddy bear couple with the quilled heart on background, and these are looking super duper cute. You can use this as the Valentine's Day gift, or you can also make this as the anniversary gift, and I will share each and every step in detail, how to make the base, how to make the quilled heart along with these cuties. So without any delay, let's start with procedure. I am starting with making the girl bear face. For this I am taking 7 strips of peach color in 3mm and making one tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. Now I am taking my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Now add glue inside this dome and spread it with brush. And with the similar method I have prepared one more dome of the same size. So joining both the domes together, and face is ready, allow it to dry. Then where both the domes are joining together, I am wrapping the piece of same peach color strip around the domes to make it more finished. And this is done. Now to make upper body, here I have created this tight coil which is made using 6 strips of white color in 5mm. Now making the dome shape and opening it little bit to make more deep. So it will be like the dress of the bear. Adding glue inside this as well, and the height of this dome is approximately 2.5 centimeters. Now connecting the face on top of the white dome. Then here I have prepared 2 tight coils. The peach one is made using half strip of peach color in 3mm and white one is made using half strip of white color in 3mm. Making a cone shape using white tight coil and dome shape using peach tight coil. Add glue inside both the shapes and connect with each other. So the hand is ready, and with the same method I have prepared one more hand already. Then here I have prepared 2 more tight coil domes which are made using half strips of peach color in 2mm, and these are the ears. So taking back the girl bear, and first I am connecting the ears. Then connecting the mouth, which is made using 1 strip of white color in 2mm. This is simple dome shape. Adding 2 small circles for eyes and 1 small circle for nose. These are made using clay. And making one small nose line using black marker. So cute. Then also attaching both the hands. Hold it for a few minutes like this. Then in the bottom of the dress I am sticking pom-pom lace in white color, which will look like the skirt. And this is looking super cute. Then adding one small flower as the hair accessory and one small pearl as the button of dress. And the super cute girl bear is ready. She's looking so pretty, isn't it? Then with the same method I have prepared boy bear, and instead of peach color I have here used light brown color strips, and rest the method is same. So face is done. Now prepare the body using 7 strips of white color in 5mm, and the length of this dome is approximately 1.8 centimeters. Then add glue on the bottom of this dome and sticking it on top of white cardstock. Keep it aside. Then I am taking 1.5 strip of white color in 5mm and making one tight coil. Here I am making the pants. Similarly I have prepared one more tight coil. Then to make shoes, here I am taking 1.5 strip of black color in 3mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Similarly I have prepared one more shoe. Now I am connecting the pants with the shoes. So both the pairs are ready. Then taking back the dome, and this is dried, so I'm cutting the excess paper around the dome like this. Then taking both the legs, connecting with each other, and on top of this I am adding the dome. And then on topmost part I am sticking the face. Now here I am taking 1/4 strip of black color in 2 mm and making one small teardrop shape and making the arrow like this. Here I am making the bow for the neck area. Similarly prepare one more, so connecting both the shapes on the neck like this. Then here I have prepared 2 black color tight coils which are made using 5 mm black strips connecting together, and this is 1 strip 2 mm black dome. So adding both the tight coils on dome, so our cute hat is ready for bear. Now I am sticking the hat on top of the head. And this is done. Just like we created the hands for girl bear, I have prepared hands for boy bear. So adding both the hands like this. And our super duper cute couple is ready. They are looking very adorable together, isn't it? Now it's time to create stage for them on which they will stand. So I will share how to make the background quilled heart along with the base. So let's proceed for that. Here I am taking white paper which is 9 by 9 centimeter. This is rough paper, folding it into half, making one heart shape like this. And I'm just trimming both the layers together, so the heart template is ready. And in the bottom I'm just making one straight line like this. So we have to cut the heart shape like this. And this is done. Then making one more small heart inside the template, and we have to cut that heart as well. So our template for background is ready. Now taking one red color cardstock and tracing this template on the red cardstock base, and we just need to trim it. So after cutting, it should look like this. And I have prepared 2 same pieces, so joining both the pieces together to make stiff and sturdy backdrop. And this is done. Then taking total 7 pieces of cardboard strips which are 1 by 7 centimeters, joining all the pieces together. And the bunch of cardboard is ready. Then taking this beautiful pattern paper by Dress My Craft, sticking the cardboard pieces inside this. That means I am covering this whole piece using beautiful pattern paper. All the supply links are given in description box. You can check there. And also avail the discount coupons which are given in description box to have extra discounts. So this is completely covered. Now I have prepared one more bunch using 7 cardboard strips, and this measures 7 by 4 centimeters. I have covered this as well using pattern paper. So I'm going to join both the pieces together like this, and I'm going to sandwich the heart cutout between both the pieces. So it will come between both the pieces like this, and this is the method to stand anything easily. So add glue on both the layers. Connect the heart between these two pieces and hold it for a few minutes. And this is done. Now taking 7 by 5 cm pattern paper cut out and sticking it on back side of the stage for the finished look. Then here I am taking 1/4 strip of pink color and making one teardrop shape. This is tight teardrop, joining total 5 petals together and making flower. Now for the center of the flower, I am taking 1/4 strip of white color in 2 mm, making one tight coil and sticking it on top of the flower. For all my flowers, I am using 2 mm strips only. So with the similar method, I have prepared lots of pink color flowers with different sizes and lots of light pink color flowers. So cute. Now taking back the base, and I am covering this heart completely with these handmade flowers. I am sticking the flowers alternatively, that is light pink, dark pink, and again light pink, dark pink. So this is completely covered. Now just filling the gaps between flowers using some red color tight coils, which are made using different strip sizes. And a beautiful backdrop base is ready. Then here I am taking half strip of red color in 2 mm and making one teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more teardrop, so just joining both the drops together and making heart. And I have cut one small red color heart piece, so joining both the layers on top of this. Then connecting one small strip on the bottom of this. So here our heart balloon is ready, which will come in the hands of boy bear. Now taking back the base, and I'm just decorating it from all the sides using this beautiful border cutout. This is the scallop border die, but you can also use any kind of border punch. And I have covered it from all the sides. Then taking the girl bear, and in the hand of girl bear I am just sticking the beautiful flower bunch. This is the simple French flower in pink color, and I have just passed wire pollen through all the flowers so that we can create the bunch, and this is done. And also sticking the heart balloon with the hands of bear. Like this. Now it's time to stick the boy bear and girl bear on top of the stage like this. And the super cute quilled bear couple with the backdrop is ready. I'm sure you will try this very soon to gift it in Valentine's Day or anniversaries. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. See you next time. Bye.